Hello everyone. It's Wednesday, May 19th. I've got two different sensors out here in the garden, and one says 90 degrees and one says 91. So I'm gonna tell you, I got some nice looking cabbages here, but I'm getting a little spooked about the temperature problems. Now I really worked too hard on them to have them do a little split and go to seed. So I'm going to take the tool back. I'm going to harvest some of these. These were a late season. See if it'll work before it gets too hot, and then we went and had us a real cold beginning to the spring, so these cabbages have been like major happy. Go down here and what do you think? Ooh, this thing is hard. Wow, look at that, son of a gun. There's one. They all look to be about the same. There's the next one. That head is really hard. I've never gotten a cabbage that had a hard head here. Lots of loosely headed ones, but never one nice and hard. Here's another one. Let's peel this one back and see how it looks. Boy, what's really nice is they're not all eaten up with caterpillars because of this tool cloth that I put on them. So there's my ending, but this guy's hard as a rock. Quite remarkable. So, I'm going to snatch these three. Actually, maybe these four. This particular variety is buried up there somewhere, but it was supposed to be especially good for making ferments, sauerkraut and coleslaw. This one is a smaller head, of course. It's still quite firm. I'm very pleased that I've never grown it before. I'll see if I can get lucky and find out what it is and stick it in the bottom of the video. So this is David. Go and eat this. Unbelievable little batch of cabbages. Thank you for watching. I'm walking back up to the house here with the cabbages. Check out the snow peas. Wow. He decided to make some snow peas. Always take a little bonus harvest of snow peas as I walk up to the house. And that's our little bonus section.